if you want to know how to fix a TikTok filter not working, you've come to the right place. So in order to do it right, we just simply need to open our TikTok. And let's say that I want to create a new one. So if I'm going to shoot something, I can easily use some other filters. So I can switch them. And as you can see, everything is working as for me. So the best way to fix it as for you is to open your App Store or Google Play and here search for TikTok. So we need to open an official page of the app. Make sure that your version is the latest or at least supported from TikTok. So as you can see, I have update button. So it means that I can update, but I still have this feature. Sometimes if you're using TikTok for a long time and you do not update it, you won't be able to use some features like filters. So you need to update it to the latest version. After that, when everything is done, you can try to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Sometimes if you don't have them, you won't be able to load filters and you won't be able to use them anymore. And the last thing you need to check before your problem will be automatically solved is that you need to open settings and here go to general and then go to iPhone storage. On the Android it may look a little bit different. So all we need to do is just simply wait and then open our TikTok settings with storage parameters. So we need to change something inside. Basically it may take a little time, but in this list here we just simply need to open our TikTok and then just simply click on one button right up here. So I'm going to click on TikTok and as you can see we have the option to click on offload app. So we need to offload it. And as you can see, it will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So we need to click right up here. And after that, instead of offload, we'll receive reinstall button. So we need to reinstall our TikTok. And after that, we can easily use our TikTok app and we can use our filters. So it's definitely the best way of how to fix TikTok filter not working. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.